Arapōtama Aotearoa, Department of Corrections, we have had to learn how to work better with Māori, overrepresented in the system. All that glitters in Te Reo Māori is about being done with the old and starting something new, having self-autonomy, rangatiratanga. Leaders formed in 2002 and we're just wanting to bring something fresh and exciting to the genre. We ended up doing a couple of albums with Universal, we toured the world. 20 years later, we're still here, we're still doing it. Punk is a polarising word. People associate it with a musical genre, but it's an attitude. It's an ideology. Ko nukutiri te waka, ko whakatohia te iwi. So I became a probation officer just on 3 years ago. Hukairangi is a philosophy that we hold ourselves to in corrections. It's about working better with Māori, it's about understanding te ao Māori and connecting tāne to the marae to learn about tikanga. To our tāne, thank you for showing up and being vulnerable. As they say, this is a learning marae. I guess I use an analogy of tāne ascending to the heavens to grab the kite of knowledge. You know, it starts today, you've come to the Tikanga Māori program, and hopefully you guys will be on your journey now to ascending to greatness. I come from a punk rock background, F the system, and now I'm like, the way to change the system is from within. Through this waiata, I'm saying, let's rise up, let's do better. We can do better as a department, we can do better as people, we can do better as a nation, we can do better as Māori. What do you think, Danny?
A lot of your words are pictorial, invoking both thought and action.
Yep.
It's all about looking at the things that you want to change. When you use words such as tahuna, to burn something, or turakina, to destroy something, and then you're talking about colonisation and oppression and suppression. That's the language of pursuing things such as tino rangatiratanga.
When I first wrote the song, it was about the political climate in the early 2000s, whereas now I think it really speaks to the uprising for Māori.
From a Māori point of view, when you go to the marae, the male's role is to get rid of the group's anger so that it can be heard and it can be understood and people can move past it.
I never had a connection to my people, bro, and then actually having this Wānanga program, bro, has actually brought that connection, bro, where I can have the best of both worlds, brother. This is pretty much the first time I've ever had the chance to learn about my culture and myself. You can actually value yourself, bro, instead of being like that repeat offender.
This is why this kaupapa is so important. Who you are is not the person that made mistakes along the way. We all make mistakes, right?
Oh, true.
Being grounded in who you are and being proud to be Māori, you can now heal. We're going to get people better and stop them from being stuck in the system. How great would society be if everyone felt like they belonged and their wairoa was filled to the brim? E ora nei he aha, e mate koe mo wai.